Tired of dying in Roblox because of lag? Let's fix that using Exitlag. First, head over to Exitlag's website. I've put a direct link in the description below for you. Click the download button to get the installer. Once downloaded, run the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. Make sure to grant it any necessary permissions. Now, launch Exitlag. In the search bar, type Roblox. You should see Roblox listed as an available game. Click on Roblox. This will bring up a list of different regions. Experiment with different regions to find the one that gives you the lowest ping. Usually, the one closest to your location works best. After selecting your preferred regions, hit the Optimize button. Exitlag will now optimize your connection for Roblox. You'll see a message saying game is running with the Roblox logo. Now, launch Roblox. Check your ping in game. You should see a noticeable improvement. Now go dominate in Roblox, lag-free.